All right, we're going to give you a quick summary and overview of the Thee Garden landscape staples. I used them for the first time today on my job, and I do have to say that they're a quality type of material here. We have some different things going on to where it's like in this box you get a lot of different staples. You get these discs that come along with it. As you can see here, these discs really help from the standpoint of holding the fabric down. As you can see in this example right here, if you need to pull those staples out, it comes with a tool that you can actually pull this up and pull that stake out. So that comes along with the box of staples. But I used them here on this job, and you can see where I had it all along, and it helps to hold the fabric down. It doesn't rip. So it's a really good application of these particular staples.